Y'all go subscribe.
Yeah, Big Smooth in here. Smooth, what you gon' do? Pop out. Cause today I feel a little better. And I'm really enjoying the weather. And the sunlight dancing on the level. I'm about to pop out. And I'm go hard forever. Never wreck, but I got a lot of cheddar. I just bounce back, I'm trying to ball forever. Smooth, what you gon' do? Pop out. Cause today I feel a little better. And I'm really enjoying the weather. And the sunlight bouncing off the leather. I'm about to pop out. And I'ma go hard forever. Never wreck, but I got a lot of cheddar. I just bounce back, I'm trying to ball forever.
What up, what up, what up? It's me. Hey. Unfortunately, you see, my VDC light, my slip light, and my ABS light. So you see those lights? I'm gonna press the gas now. All the way to the floor. Nothing. No acceleration. Light just turned green. I'm not making this up. My foot is all the way on the floor. No acceleration whatsoever. I was freaking today's years old when I found out that when all three of these lights come on, you lose power. Your car won't accelerate. Your car goes into limp mode. I was over here all on forums trying to figure this out, asking questions. People trying to troll me. I'm not even trolling back. And I'm known for being a troll. Tell me why my car is in limp mode because a piece of the brake switch broke. That don't even make sense. At all. At all. I was late for work today. I was so upset because my car don't got any power. My foot's all the way down. No power. No go. All over a freaking brake switch. The reason I know it's a brake switch is because the tail lights stayed on when I got to work. And all these lights was on. This is when I lost power. Before I got to work, all these lights was on. I didn't know that the brake lights were still on. I came back outside and discovered it. So me and one of my coworkers, we put the little piece back in on the brake pedal or whatever at the top of the brake pedal. The tail lights went off. The lights was already off. I made a whole video about that earlier that I posted on Instagram, which I'm gonna include in the next clip. So you know I'm not capping. That say off. What the? So when we put it back, the car had power again for about 2 miles. Then I assumed it fell back out, which it did, because when I went to Quick Trip to go get some water, which I normally do every night, when I got out the car, I cut the lights off, the tail lights on, and all three of these lights are on. So again, I was today's years old when I found this out. So if you drive an Infiniti M45, 03 to 04 to be exact, and you got all these lights on and you lose power, this is why. I swear, I was panicking until I figured out what it was. This is real stupid. This had me pissed off at the world today. So now that I know what it is, I'm going to share it with y'all. If y'all ever see this, it's the dang on piece on the brake switch. Which means that your brakes are constantly, your brake lights are constantly on. And that's it. So the car thinks something is wrong with your brakes. And that's it. So I've been inside the house for about 20 minutes now. My tail lights still haven't cut off. I'm pretty sure if I start the car, the VDC light, the slip light, and the ABS light is going to be on. And I also found the piece that broke. Where are you? Probably not gonna be able to see it. But a little baby piece. Is the camera pointed at me? It's a little baby piece. Oh, they having a party. Basically, this is the piece that's connected to the brake switch. And it broke. So for temporary fixes, I'm gonna take a penny and I'm gonna tape it to where that little piece was. And it should temporarily fix it until I can get the piece for the brake switch. I know it's dark, but the car is not fixed. I found some tape in a penny. I don't even know if you can see it, but yeah, it's tape and some penny. Where's that? Right there. Tape and some penny. Tape and some penny. And it works. There you go, right there. Ah! Tape and some penny. Tape and penny for the win. No lights on the dash. Brake lights work. In a few minutes, we're going to test if it has power. Because I'm 100% sure the car was in limp mode. Now it's going to be the moment of truth. We back, baby. We back. Why are you driving so slow? So, yeah. A penny and some tape. Now I got power again. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe. If y'all got an Infinity, this is an easy fix. If y'all want to spend no money right now. I just got back from my B-Day trip. I really don't want to spend no money, so yeah. Y'all make sure y'all like, follow, subscribe, share. See y'all next time.
I ain't really into going back and forth. Yeah. What's going on, man? What we doing? Just let me know if it's up. Just let me know, man. Get it off your chest, my boy. I don't really know what they mad at me for. I ain't do nothing to 'em. It's what I'm pulling up in. It's in the truck. What's how you gon' hate who showed you love? Which car, man? Showed you love, man. And ain't nobody scared of them boys. Ain't nobody scared of them boys. Get for real, dog. You know they just be acting tough. I'm gonna do that 100 times. Ain't nothing happened to me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just got off the phone, my dog say, smooth your boss, but you don't like the flows. I be in the song all alone. If you think that I'm on, I'll probably get off.